We're here. Hello.
I'm so stoked. I'm so happy. I'm
I'm so
online.
too.
It's the
I
internet.
briefly had my computer freeze for a second, so I got a little
Did it
sad.
really?
It's like as soon as I opened a new tab, because you know what? I'm hopping into Twitch real quick, PJ, because I realized I didn't update the announcement thing that sends out with the thing. Still so new to Twitch.
Uh,
So bear with us, y'all. Gotta update the we're hacking on Shania thing, you
hacking on
know?
Shania. Yeah, I'm gonna move my stream into science and technology
We're
for sure, since we're actually
hacking
hacking
on Shania. Come play.
web development,
Let
software development.
riveting content.
Yes. We've done it. Stream info updated successfully, guys. The
We're
internet's working.
professionals.
We are. We don't just make things up when we get here. This is
No.
all meticulously planned. It may feel very loosey goosey, but that's just part of our appeal.
Yeah. Okay, I
And
updated it.
that's nailed it.
We also got a tweet. So now that we have this, so y'all, you're joining us with this new fancy background.
We
that
got colored lines everywhere.
Colored lines everywhere. Oh yeah, that's right. This kind of matches this. It took us all of 5 seconds to make this Canva template. Okay, let's pose, PJ, for our thumbnail. Are you ready? Here, which hand do I want to put out? Okay, ready? Oh wait, hold on. What should I do? Okay, I think I got it. Wait, one more.
Blah!
Also, I just got a notification that Mets and Around is live.
That dude, he's alright.
Okay, ready? Hold on. I'm taking it on the other screen, so I'm having to like mirror it. Okay. Okay, we did it. I'm gonna tweet that we're live. PJ. Oh, we got 5 people here. PJ, while we're
You've got 5 people. How many people do I have? I have 0 people.
So if you're just joining us, we're gonna spend the first 10-ish minutes of the stream catching up with y'all, letting people join, updating our little background thing because we're obsessed with Canva. My channel is unofficially sponsored by Canva apparently because I'm just always working on Canva.
Let's make it official. Canva, get in here. She is really putting your little web app to work, and she's got a lot of good things to say about it for the right price.
Canva Queen.
Just give her a free subscription or something,
Seriously.
Canva. Come on.
I mean, to be fair, I'm technically on the free subscription right now for 30 days or like a week or something. So, hi, Lorena. We've got people here on the chat. Here, I should put the chat up here. We're live.
I need to make sure I can see the comments, and by doing that in StreamYard. Hey, Callie.
So y'all, I'm gonna tweet here in a second. Let all the lovely humans know that we're live. But PJ, while I'm tweeting and dreaming here, how was your week? How you doing? You ready to hack on some Shania?
I'm ready to hack on some Shania because I actually legitimately enjoy working in the code now, and that's a fun thing for me. I loved
working on Shania last week. It was so fun.
That's why we're doing it this week too, because we actually enjoyed it last week, and we've enjoyed having guests on here. We've enjoyed learning about DevRel and about getting a job, which is the whole point the show exists, is to get me a job.
Yeah.
And that's why the show must go off, because once I get a job, the show's canceled. Or, I mean, we're probably still going to do it, honestly.
We're still going to do it.
We're just going to...
Shania is like our daughter, but also our like Frankenstein that like if we abandon Shania, I mean, it's completely automated with Azure thing. But you know, we gotta keep her alive. So I'm saying we're live. I'm working on Shania bot. Come join and help
Hello, Doctor.
Hi, Sarah. We're just tweeting right now, getting everybody here to the stream.
We're engaging our social medias.
But PJ, how about while I tweet this, tell the lovely humans maybe a little bit about Shania bot. Actually, if you want to share your screen, I don't know if this is going to break my computer. As everyone knows,
what would I share?
Or just share Shania so we can walk through what her current features are.
You got it. As I mistype Twitter. So
now that I use
Shania
Twitch, I keep
Bot,
putting Twitter instead.
I know. So Shania Bot is a fantastic little bot, and let me pull her up, and then I'll share my screen. Nope.
So you may have heard of Shania
And yep.
Twain.
You might have. So back in the '90s, Shania was a very famous musician, and she made country pop music. And she had this great song called "Man, I Feel Like a Woman." And "Man, I Feel Like a Woman" starts out kind of actually like this.
Let's go, girl.
And we love it. It's so good. And someone on the internet was like, if I was Shania Twain, I would start every day by tweeting "Let's go, girls." And I took this to Chloe and I said, "Is there a way to make this automatic?" And she was like, "I'm way ahead of you." And she showed me how to make a Twitter bot using some built-in functions in Azure, where we just created an account, made it a developer account, attached some quick Azure functions to it. Boom! It tweets every day at noon Eastern Standard Time. Let's go, girls.
Yes. And that is the link that you can go to. I'll make sure that it works here in a second, aka.ms/ Shania Rules with a Z. I'm going to test
With a
it.
Z. With a Z.
Shania Rules. I think that I'm not on Snapchat anymore, but I believe my Snapchat name used to be Chloe Rules with the
Is it
maximum amount of
really?
Z's. And to the point where, like, when I had to log back in, where I was like, oh, I want to try. I think it was I wanted to try out that feature with the boy to girl, girl to boy, and like space swap. Like I just wanted to try. It was before you could have
Oh, yeah,
Snapchat.
yeah.
And when I had to log back in, I had to message my friends who were active on Snapchat and ask them, hey, how many Z's are in my username? Because I didn't save that anywhere. Okay, I'm going to share your screen.
Perfect. And
Are you ready?
I'll.
Although
Oh.
it's the screen that has us on it right now.
Where did she go? Shania.
Okay,
I
here.
found her.
Shanae.
So this is Shania, and this is the jam. And look, we still have a pinned "Let's Snow Girls" right now.
Oh, yeah. We should change the pinned tweet.
Well, actually, Mammoth up in Northern California is apparently getting like 6 feet of snow today.
Oh, yeah. I mean, so for anybody who's not based in California, we had something called an atmospheric river that I had to Google what that was. I was like, a river? But basically what happened, so there's been a bunch of alerts in Santa Cruz, over where our friend Brandon is, over in like Santa Rosa, where like there's just straight up water flowing through the sky. The rain's been really crazy. But the snow in Tahoe right now is supposed to be real good. Real good.
Did you do this?
What did I do? I can't see it. Sorry.
This does impress me much.
Yeah. Yes.
For that Matt Rogers tweet.
Definitely me. I love Matt Rogers. Shout out to Matt Rogers. Okay, I'm going to tweet this tweet. We're going live. We're working with Shania. Oh, I should also say we're using Logic apps, Azure Functions,
I forget what it's called.
Logic apps.
It's one of those Logic apps through Azure. Yeah. That's what we did at first, and now we're trying to build something with Node.
Oh gosh, you know what I just realized? Okay, I'm going to
What?
send this tweet. That's going to take me like 5 seconds for anybody joining us. Don't worry, I have a new computer on the way, but everything is running so slow for me right now.
She's got a Dell right now that came in like the cow box.
You're getting Adele. But the good news is it's coming soon. However, I just realized opening VS Code made just the little computer that could make.
Oh no, that's gonna be fun.
So let me close Twitter here. A couple things. But yeah, Shanae time. You know what I'm thinking, PJ? We don't got to work on that background at the beginning of this.
We can just get right into Shania.
Put into the code. Okay,
Is
hold
that
on.
okay?
Yeah. Let me retweet this lovely tweet from Sarah. Thank you, Sarah, for this retweet.
This is kind of fun.
I'm going to close some things up. But cannot wait for like a week from now where I can just live my life and not have my computer run really slow. Okay, closing this, riveting
I'm
content.
making my own personal screensaver.
PJ, do you have the sound effect board open?
I do. I know how to
Okay.
do it. Hold on. I know how to do this. What do we need? Is it
I'm gonna
Shania?
close out Canva real quick, and I'm gonna open up. Oh my
Is it
god.
this?
Ooh, did you see that acapella group who did all the Microsoft noises?
I heard about it and I saw it somewhere like in my on my timeline, my TL. That's what the kids say. They say TL.
It's freaking great.
Yeah, I saw it on there, but I didn't click it yet. I'm very interested.
I love it. I had a lot of people tag me in it. Am I totally frozen? Let's see what's going on, y'all. Just bear with me. So excited to get this new MacBook, y'all.
Oh my god, you're like
Okay,
mega
here we
frozen.
go.
This is amazing. Oh, there you go. You're moving now.
My life. My life.
Chloe's
Well,
streaming from a game genie right now.
literally, that's what it feels like. Hold on. I think I'm gonna. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna throw my computer across the
Throw
room.
it. Throw it.
I'm gonna burn it.
Toss it.
And see, I work at Microsoft, and this is a Mac, so I'm allowed to talk shit about this computer. I'm gonna turn off the camera. Let's see if this helps.
What is an in-home camera?
Oh, so I use this really great app. So the way that I have this lovely rainbow background thing here is I'm using this service called
Is it taking up like half of your RAM?
Well, see, I don't think it's that's making it run slow, because right now everything's fine and dandy. Maybe I just need to stay in this pocket, y'all. Let me just stay in here for a little bit. I'm gonna open VS Code, see if this totally breaks my computer. But what I was thinking, PJ, is if we do live share, maybe we'll just share your screen, and that
Sure,
will
that's fine.
help it a little bit. But yeah, y'all, we're gonna be. Oh, hi, Adrian's here. Adrian, just follow me. Hi, Adrian. Getting all kinds of followers. Okay, so we are gonna be coding
People are
Shania.
interested.
Here, I'll stop sharing your screen for a sec, PJ, so you can live your life.
Oh, my mom! Yay, mom!
Mama. Okay, let's.
She's in the chat.
I'm in a pocket. I'm going to change my camera setting. Sorry, everyone. I might have an ugly background. Bear with us. This is not PJ's fault. This is.
Oh no, it's
freaking
my
MacBook.
fault.
Okay, hold on.
Eh,
Da, da, da,
far
da.
wherever you are,
Y'all.
I
Technology.
believe.
Changing the camera. This will be
Listen,
worth it.
these buttons, I'm gonna get a bunch, and it's gonna be stupid.
There we go. That's a lot better. Well, now I look lame because I just got this green screen behind me, but...
I mean, but like, who's gonna be like, oh, like I've just got a dumb literature joke behind me. It's fine.
Okay, well, nobody judge
I
me.
specifically made this for my students because I was doing chapter 3 of Gatsby, and I put this as my background for the video I made.
What
to
does
help
it
them
say?
learn chapter
Party
3.
like Gatsby.
Party like Gatsby.
We love
Which Gatsby, by the way, doesn't drink at his parties. Everyone else does. That is. It's from the book. As the party gets crazier, Gatsby stays like straight and narrow because his whole point of throwing the party is to find Daisy. So everyone else gets drunk. That was just him trying to get Daisy's attention.
Oh.
Like when you send a snap to everybody, but you're only hoping one specific person sees it.
I love this. I hope that you explained it that way to your students, because I love that.
I'm constantly explaining Gatsby parties through Snapchat.
Okay, I'm in. Now I'm just finding Shania in here. If you're just joining us,
She's hacking.
my computer is very slow. Is there like a do 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 do?
Oh, like this?
We love. Recent. Shania.
Come for the tech learning and stay for the 90s female pop-centric sounds.
Did I? Okay, someone on Twitter said that Britney came out with a new song. Is that canon? Because I feel like I have not heard it yet.
I mean, did you look it up yet?
No, because I've been busy, but here.
Britney
Open
Spears and the Backstreet Boys have dropped a new song called Matches. That's part of the deluxe
OMG.
reissue of Spears' 2016 album Glory.
Glory? Which one's
Matches.
Glory?
Glory is from 2016, which is,
What songs would be on? That's a Britney Spears album?
I guess, 2016. I mean, how many people were still listening to Britney
I guess
Spears in
that's true.
2016?
I mean, I listen to Britney Spears every day. Every day, every day. Oh my God, I can't believe. Sorry, y'all.
Let's
This will
see.
be.
This is the new Britney Spears song, y'all.
We can't pay for all of it, though.
That's 7 seconds. That's what you guys get.
Okay.
It sounds. It sounds like a K-pop song a little
It
bit.
sounded
It's
like
not that.
RuPaul. Like the intro sounded like a RuPaul song.
It's
Wow.
not bad for the 13 seconds I've heard.
Oh, look, there it is on my desktop. Sorry, y'all. I'm almost there.
In the meantime, this we don't have to pay for rights to this. This is now a future funk station. We're just gonna
Heck
play
yeah.
music the rest of the time.
The Q jockey has
Nin-
arrived.
That's right, 1980s Japanese pop music.
Almost there. Ah, open. Quick action.
Shinomaru,
Open folder. There we go.
Sekai wa Fushimi
Ooh,
na.
PJ. Have you
What?
watched the new Marvel 616 series thing yet on Disney Plus?
No, is it a new show?
So there's this new show. I think it's called Marvel 616. Correct me in the chat, people, if you've seen it. Oh my God, I haven't been. Yes, it does sound like RuPaul. Sorry, I've been so busy with my computer being slow that I haven't been looking at chat.
That's okay.
The Marvel 616 thing, it's like they do. So the first episode was on Japanese Spider-Man, and then the second episode's like on female heroines and stuff. But the first one was one of the best things that I watched in core, and it's all about how Stan Lee sent this guy out to like go do Spider-Man in Japan. But like Japan is so different than any other market, and they, just like Star Wars and all this stuff, based a lot of their children's television programming around toys. And what I didn't know before watching this, I highly recommend it, y'all, is they talk about how Transformers and all of that basically came from Japanese Spider-Man, because they were like, we need to add robots to Spider-Man. I'm totally butchering all of this, but it's very wholesome, very cool, very
Oh.
wonderful, and it's like this historic look behind the scenes of and Japanese Spider-Man is so different than American Spider-Man, because Japanese Spider-Man's like not a dad, but there's like a kid and a girlfriend, and like there's all of this really interesting stuff around how the female protagonist in it, or like the love interest, was very independent and unmarried, and a lot of moms really liked it. Check this out, it's so cool. It's the first episode of Marvel
I
6.
will. I will go check that out. It had probably popped up on Disney Plus, and I was like, because
I gotta say, the branding for it is not, like, personally, I would not have clicked on it in Disney Plus had I not heard Paul Scheer talk about it on his shows, because Gillian Jacobs, I guess, Paul Scheer, a bunch of people like do episodes of it, and I've heard them promote them on their shows, and I would not have watched the show. Like, the image for it is just like a bunch of Marvel stuff, and I was like, what the heck's a 616? Is that some devil thing? I don't know.
it's like the devil minus 50.
I'm finally in, PJ. Here is the live share link. We're finally getting started coding, y'all. Sorry,
We are ready. What are you sending
slow.
it to me in the private chat?
Yeah.
All right.
But if you're just joining us, we're hacking on Shania. We'll probably spend the first couple minutes here remembering what the heck we did last time.
Man, I mean, oh God, I'm just remembering that we almost got there.
We got so.
And I think I came up with a way. I was like, oh, I just have to do this, and then I didn't write it down.
Wait,
I
where's
didn't
all the
put it
code?
anywhere. Hold on. It's There.
Where? Oh, here, I'll share. But where's our code? What the heck is happening? Is this the right folder? Hold on. Hold on. This might be the wrong one.
This is old. This is the wrong one because this is
This
says
is old.
Shania bought us starting. The one that we have, the first thing it
Let's
does
go,
is it
girls.
console logs
Okay.
Let's Go Girls.
Let me open it. Oh my
I
god,
was
I
like,
had a
oh my
heart
god,
attack.
yeah. Do you not have this on Git somewhere?
I think I do, but I'm just my computer right now is okay, hold on. I'm trying to remember where the heck this was. I cannot wait to get this new computer, y'all. Like, there we go. Open recent. Where's
Okay,
Shania? Shania update is what this is called.
there we go.
Phew! Okay, let me. Okay, click
Where's
out of
all our
that.
code is
I
a
was
terrifying, terrifying thing to
like,
hear,
this
my
is a
friend.
terrible ad for VS Code. Ah, okay. Here's the actual link.
A
People.
demi devil. That's funny,
Ah,
Ender Kilgannon.
mini panic attack for sure.
Right? Man.
Okay, here's
Man.
the actual link. We're like, where's our code? Okay.
I wouldn't be surprised if we never saw our code again.
Yeah, I know. Well, one time I was working with some folks, and this happens, but like my coworkers at a previous company were working on a Dropbox paper file, and just like all of it disappeared. Like it would be like a Google Doc or a Word doc, just like deleting all your stuff, and we were like, wait a second, what? Like,
Apparently, mine failed to update workspace folders, but I've got the code. Like,
oh, okay, let's see.
I'm looking at it.
Okay. Oh my God, so slow. We're sharing yours. Okay.
So I'm literally remembering the problem right now, but I think we should go through the code for the people to make sure that we are
Yes.
talking through what we have and what it does. So if
Do
you want to
folks-
start,
Do folks in the chat let us know in the chat if you need us to make it bigger at all, the font, because I'm viewing it.
do we
in a
need to
smaller way.
embiggen it?
Okay, where should we start? Ooh, Taylor, what is the question? Taylor has a question.
What is it?
Hi, Tay. You know what I'm gonna do? Here we go. Yes. How are you going to compete against AOC for viewership? Is AOC streaming right now? Well,
Oh, that's right. She said she was going. Well, she said she was going on at like 8:30. So yeah, she's probably
yeah.
on.
I mean, I will be streaming later today, y'all. I'll plug on New Relic's channel. I'm going to be streaming not Shania Bot, but playing with Logic Apps, which is something we foundationally built Shania Bot on with Daniel later. With Teach Daniel, so join that.
We'll raid AOC's
Yeah.
show later. We'll
I have
send
no
all of you
idea
over
how
there
to do
afterwards.
that, but we will do that. Okay, so
Walk us through the code, Chloe. Tell us what
Yeah.
it's all about. But first,
Let's go, girl.
girls.
that's right.
Let's see, Chloe, will you offer other teach type streams and have guests on them? Yeah, that's basically everything that's going to be on here. I think it's going to be really rare that it will just be me, and I love to learn things from other people. So, yeah, I guess Coinbase is very, very much being taught. I'm going to be doing some stuff pretty soon with Adrian, who's in the chat, and yeah. Okay, let's see. So, PJ, what line are we starting on?
1.
Okay, line 1. Here, how about I follow along? You, with your cursor, go to each line. Okay, so first line here, we're doing the most important thing. We're console.logging. Let's go, girls. Letting things know we're getting this party started. Then we are requiring the Twitter API. Sorry, PJ, everything is scrolling so slow.
Oh,
Okay.
you're good.
And we are requiring our configuration file here for JS.
We won't click that. It's got secrets in it.
Yes, secrets for our Twitter API. We have got, this is our stream here where we're filtering a stream of tweets to just get Shania here. Secrets. Yeah. That's why her hair is so big.
That's why her hair is so big.
And then we are filtering it by Shania tweets, or no, we're tracking Shania.
Mm-hmm.
And we're saying that we're making a tweets event.
Mm-hmm.
And we have made a function here. I'm scrolling down.
These are our variables for the function.
So basically what this bot does, y'all, is it tweets every day at 9 a.m. Let's go, girls. And that's automated with Logic Apps. But what we're doing here at the API is we need a couple of things. Yeah, I'm here for the twins photoshopping amazing skills. We are too. I would honestly put it as an overlay right now, Sarah, but my computer will break.
It will stop.
So we need a couple variables to be able to do the thing that we want, which is we want whenever somebody tweets at ShaniaBot, something with the word impressed, impressive, just basically anything with the word impress in it and more text. That don't impress me much because that is what Shania says in her song. So we need their screen name so we can say at Chloe Condon, that don't impress me much. I just thought of something, but I'll get that in a second. We need a screen name, we need the tags, we're doing all that. So we ended our stream on learning regex. Shout out.
Man.
Was it? Yes. Oh, thank you. VS Code theme is looking great, PJ.
That's Dracula. It's like Dracula at night or something like that.
So if anybody's really good at regex, I think we solved the regex thing though. That's where we left
did.
off.
Regex is working. It's all working. But what the problem is down here is that this method .sum takes in a function, and we need to give it a function that lets it work. So like if I go up here, let's talk about .sum in JavaScript here for a second.
And if you see that there's like better things that we can be using, let us know.
I'm sure there is. Yeah, let us know because we're not great.
We're not figuring this out.
So the sum method tests whether at least one element in the array passes the test implemented by the provided function. It returns a Boolean. And the reason we're using .sum is because right now we've got, hey, if the text of this tweet includes bot Shania, if she's tagged in it, and, that's the and here means, and logically, is it impressive, is true, then we reply with that user's name and that don't impress me much. So it's very simple logic. It's a single if statement to decide if we're going to do it or not. There's an error situation down here, but we need this second Boolean in order for it to do what we want it to do.
Yes. I followed a majority of that because my computer also did the spinning rainbow wheel. Y'all, this computer is on its last leg.
It's working so hard.
It is trying. It's not how it used to be. Okay. So
here where we thought we could pass in a string, we can no longer pass in a string. However, we can pass in constant impressive because this is a function.
You're right.
And that's a function that we were writing before. And so honestly, this should work.
Okay.
I think
I can.
this should work.
Okay.
But I don't have a lot of hope.
Okay.
But I mean, hope is the thing with feathers. So
should we try it?
Yeah. Do I need to like run her?
I think I have to run her.
You have to run her, please.
Okay, she is running. She is going, girls. And if I'm gonna let you do the Twitter part because I'm not even gonna try to open a new tab.
Yeah, that's dangerous.
And I'll check the output.
So first we're gonna check if she's running with the simple impress because that's supposed to work no matter what. Supposed to. Did anything show up in the output?
Yes, it says exited. Okay, we got an error. I should share my screen so you can see this. Identifier impressive has already been declared. Seems to be the syntax error we're getting.
Identifier impressive has already been declared.
So under
line 45 is the problem. So how about got it. Impressed, and then we'll do that. Impressed. Okay.
Are you sure we're not already using impress?
So let's find out.
Okay. Let's run this.
The first instance of impressed is here as
Okay.
the name, so
Should
that's
I run
fine.
it?
Let me save, and now you should be able to run it.
Adrian's asking, is string.match not working? Interesting.
String dot match.
Or str.match, I should say.
String dot match wouldn't take in. We let me
Try
think.
that? I forget.
Well, we're using string dot match for the regex. So as long as it's got this, so string dot match takes in like that. But for some reason we decided to do it as a regex.
I don't remember why.
We decided to do it as a regex because we decided to do it as a literal because is that what that's called? A literal in regex?
Sorry,
A string literal?
I believe. Sorry, I'm just doing. Adrian, tell us, hop onto the show with us, or tell us what you mean.
We had a problem where it was only finding the word impress,
Yeah,
but not
so
impressed, impressive, impressing, anything like that.
yes, Adrian, we exactly what PJ said. We're running. I don't know. Maybe we already solved this issue from a thing that we did. Okay, it's running now. If
We
you want
need
to
a
test
different
it,
regex.
we got to get a bigger regex.
A different regex?
I mean,
Dude,
like,
we have no idea
it
what's
worked.
going on with regex.
It worked. It worked. It worked.
Okay, so
Return true.
impress works.
Here, I can share my screen because we should probably see the output. And here, there we go. Hopefully this doesn't break my computer. So we got "Let's go, girls." I think we must be printing the Boolean here. We got "true" as a response.
Don't forget, you're not actually sharing your screen now because you have to
Oh, I'm
switch to the
not.
stream. There we go. There we go. Oh my god!
Yeah, that worked.
Oh my god! We did it! We did it!
Wait, where are we printing the Boolean? Or
So,
clogging the Boolean?
the
Oh, here.
Boolean.
Impressive, right here on
Yeah,
40.
Boolean is it impressive?
Dude,
Hold on,
Dude.
we have to keep going.
we have to keep going. We have to keep going. Okay, okay.
Impressive.
We got a woohoo! Woohoo! We did it!
We were. I can't believe that this
I can't
kind
believe.
of
Oh my
actually
god,
worked.
it's still happening.
Guys, we don't need a different regex. We crushed
did
it.
it! We did it! Woo! Okay. This is so exciting, guys, because usually it takes us like 45 minutes to. Ooh, I put too much output on here. Hold on. Now everything's frozen. Let me fix everything. Terminal's too big.
Gotta play it. Gotta play it.
Yeah, play it.
Let's go, girl.
PJ, you know what we should do? We'll add this.
Call Shania Twain.
We should add this to our list of projects that we want to do. But every time someone, well, we'd have to be careful of like when we have it on and it being abused. But we should set up some sort of IoT thing that anytime someone tweets about Shania, or even better, anytime Shania Twain tweets out, or sorry, bot_Shania tweets, "Let's go, girls," we could probably even do a logic app for this where it triggers at 9 a.m. every morning, like a speaker in our house. This is table this for a future thing. I don't know how our boyfriends and wives will appreciate this, but
absolutely. Well, I mean, I'll be at work, so like, it's during my lunch technically. My lunch period ends at 12:08, so just every day in the middle of me watching Better Call Saul while eating a sandwich.
instead of a classroom bell, just have it be.
Oh, Corey! Ender Kilgannon in the stream is Corey. Is Corey Souls from Twitter?
Where?
He's been in our Twitch chat a little bit. He just said it on Twitter. He's like, "I'm Elder Kilgannon." I'm like, "Hey!"
Hi.
Now the best part is if you retweet Shania while this is running.
Yes.
It will technically realize that like.
I think
with this poor thing.
Down, it's not running right now.
Okay, good. I was gonna say this poor thing.
So, okay, so now
Man.
but does it only work for impressive? Did we try impressed?
We tried impressed, impressive, impressing, impress.
Just now?
Yeah, I was doing all of it the whole time. I checked a different word every time.
We are hackers. We're hackers, okay?
Like
Graphic
here,
design is our passion, and we are hackers.
that's true.
Okay, now
Oh
what do we
wait,
do? Because
I
we got
have
it
a,
to work.
I have a thing for this. Hack the planet.
Sarah,
Amazing.
so okay, so now we have it. We have that functionality built in. Do we want to add the keyword Brad Pitt?
That'd be kind of funny.
Or I'm trying to think while
But
we're in
it
this.
has to be like all of Brad Pitt, and it would have to be like we'd have to put in
Yeah.
some stuff for like checking the case, I guess.
So okay, now that we have this working, like before we talk about getting this hosted and everything, which
Wait,
what?
wait. So this function is specifically for impressive. We should get it so that this is its own function. Like
Yes,
we should split this off into its own file and just
absolutely.
import that file. What is that called in JavaScript?
Oh
There's
gosh, I
a
don't know what
thing
it's
for
called in
that.
JavaScript. It's called. Tell us in the chat. Potato hacker. No
Potato hacker. It's called
module.
potato hacking. Module. Yeah, so using the module.
Module. Okay,
So
let's
what do
do
we
it.
really I mean we need so we've got
Um,
this whole function here is the tweet event, right?
yes.
What we really want is specifically the stuff for
I'm gonna share your screen, PJ.
yeah, that's fine.
There you go.
What we specifically want is the stuff for from like regex on and like maybe even these variables. We should make these variables global,
Yeah, let's do it.
like outside of that function. So let's do that
Someone
first.
also asked, can you also make the impress keyword case friendly?
Ah, we have to do that. So
Yeah.
we have to. How do we do that? Because we're not.
Well,
I guess
we would
we
just
would.
undercase like when it comes in, we would just automatically all undercase it or all.
So that's we would take this variable string and we can take variable
Adrian says
str.
yes in the regex add an I before the G.
We could do that in the regex.
Dang.
Dang, I was gonna like take the text and like do like a two lower thing with it.
Adrian, this is why just come on the stream with us. No, you're probably in your PJs. You can do it
Do
all
it.
in regex, he says.
Nice.
Adrian's gonna be streaming with me on Mondays pretty soon, y'all.
That's pretty rad.
So you
All
know,
right, let me take these variables. I'm gonna make them global.
yeah, Adrian, teach us all regex. Just be our regex. We could have used you last week, Adrian, because we were struggling. We were on the struggle bus with regex last week.
Your boy told you to tell me about regex golf,
Oh yeah,
and
boyfriend Ty told
holy
me about it.
smokes,
It's
holy
this
smokes.
basically like a game thing. And then Bridget, a coworker of mine at Microsoft, mentioned that she enjoys doing the regex crossword daily, which I didn't even know was a thing. Let's
We
see.
are not using reply to, which is I think that what that smudge is for. We're not using reply to.
What line? Oh, there you are. Okay.
23. I'm just gonna
Yeah.
comment it out.
We're cleaning this all up
Um,
for y'all because we're going to open source it so you can make your own. I mean, PJ, we got to do an It's Britney bitch one. That's what we're doing. You know what? That's what I'm going to build on the stream with Daniel later. I just
Good.
decided.
Do it. Do it. Do
Tune
it.
in
Do
at
it.
9:30. Not on this channel. I'll drop the link to the channel in the chat right now. But I'm going to build with Azure Logic Apps. Hopefully, don't get in trouble at work for this. Maybe
You
I'll
might.
star.
Oh man, we don't have to do this fake array that we made anymore either. That's good.
But yeah, I will be streaming at 9:30
see
with
this
New Relic,
array.
and tune in for that.
Impressive equals str dot match the regex, and is it impressive is impressive dot sum with impressed passed in. Console log, is it impressive? Do we need to console log it still?
Sorry, what line are we on?
Line 39, because that just prints true or false to the.
I think so. That's just for that one. I don't think we need to, unless we're. I think we just put that in to test it, right?
We put that in, yeah, to test it one time. I don't know that it's necessary, but it's also nice to have that output, I guess. I don't know why I would need it.
Hold on, I'm just putting it in 9:30 PST. Here's the Twitch channel. I'm just streaming all night, y'all.
You are a busy, busy Twitch
I'm
lady.
gonna stream in Canva all night and have a wonderful time.
And have
Okay.
a wonderful time.
Time. Okay, so you were asking console.log on 39. I mean, I don't think we need that because it
We're
works.
not, yeah, and we're not worried about like saving memory really
Yeah.
on this. It doesn't matter for us. Start a reply. Post that tweet is t.post status is an update status reply text, which is here. In reply to status ID. In reply to status ID. Tweeted. Okay. So if we want to turn the impress stuff into its own little function, that's going to be this part right here.
But also this, right? Oh no, because is it impressive? True. We'll just do an or here on 44 for Brad Pitt if we add Brad Pitt, right?
Yeah, if we add Brad Pitt or, well, let's see.
Because this is saying equals true, but we could put or. What's the cleanest way to write this, I guess? Because we want to say if any of them are true. Well, what if multiple of them are true, though? Interesting. Okay, so.
So if text includes bot Shania and is it impressive is true.
Or.
Or.
And or, even. We could do and or.
What's and or? Is that the ampersand and line?
It's been a while since I've done it, but we definitely have the option to be like and or. I think maybe we wouldn't do and. I just need to brush up on my JavaScript real quick. If anybody knows in the chat, let us know. But I believe what we can say is if it includes bot Shania and this. Wait, now I need a water. Okay, hold on. I need to hydrate. Basically, we can say if one of these is true, if any of these are true. So we could make separate functions for different things. So like
we can
one for Brad
also
Pitt, one for impressive.
just like put all of this in its own little thing. Like if that or.
Hi, Amy. I didn't paint my wall. This is a green screen, and this is just my wall. And I was trying to do really fancy backgrounds, but my little unfortunate computer is just. But yeah, I wish I'd painted my wall. Ty won't let me paint the walls here. I wish soon. He goes out of town, which he won't because we're stuck here. Let's see. Okay, where are we? We're line. Yeah, Amy says you still impress me much. Thanks, Amy. Shania.js. Ooh, we've got some. Where are you in here?
I'm on line 44.
Oh. Oh, because it's big here. Okay.
I just tried to sort of like stick it into parentheses. So I took our first thing and put it in. The whole thing's inside of parentheses now.
Okay.
And then I stuck an or on the outside of it, but I don't think it'll work. And it's telling me why.
I think to make it cleaner, I don't know if this is best practice. Let's first build it.
Oh,
Let's build
on.
the other function first. That might be a little bit helpful.
All right, so let's build. Is it Brad Pitt? All right.
Someone's saying, would a switch work with it?
Oh, a switch case.
And then I think it needs parenthesis around the entire expression, not woods. Thank you for that.
Ah! Is that?
Yeah,
I'm
Sarah...
not getting any squiggles.
Okay. Wait, but we didn't build that function yet.
No, so it should be, what the hell are you talking about? But it's just pretending like, whatever, you idiot. It's just letting me do it. Switch statements. Different actions based on different conditions. So it'd be case X, so we could be like, in the case that it includes bot Shania and it's impressive equals true, do this. In the case that it includes bot Shania and Brad Pitt equals true, do this.
Real quick, something that I just noticed, and I don't think this will be an issue because it hasn't been an issue so far, but we're starting the tweet with an @ Should we start the tweet with an emoji? Because if you reply with just an at, doesn't it just show to the person, or like I forgot how that works.
I think it's just no. It tags the person, doesn't it?
Oh, okay. Because I thought that if you like, that's why people put like a period before a tweet instead of just starting a tweet with an at. Is it
I mean,
goes?
listen, we should put an emoji in here.
Yeah, we
Tell me
hella
how to
should.
do it.
Yeah, I think we just do plus. I mean, we could even put it before the at, right? As part of that. Here, I'll do it.
Where's the cowboy?
So I don't even think you need to make a separate one. You could just put it here.
Just inside the at.
Yeah.
Oh, true.
Oh, I did it. Sorry.
Oh, but no, I'm happy. I like it. I like double cowboy. You know what? Triple cowboy.
Hell yeah, dude.
We've got the characters for it.
Hell yeah. It's so interesting because when you do that, PJ, do it again. Oh, people can't see it on my screen. Never mind. It's not that interesting. When you do it on my end, I see you type cowboy before the emoji pops up.
Oh, really? That's funny.
Just a weird VS Code thing. Okay. Should we test this? Just to see if this works? Do we want to remove that other, or comment out that other code real quick and then we'll run it?
I can't comment it out because it's part of a...
Maybe return, or...
hold on. I'm just going to put it in my clipboard.
Okay. For some reason, okay.
Okay.
Save
That
this. Gonna run it. We got an error. Okay. It says tweet var ID tweet dot. I should just show mine. Sorry. So tweet dot ID dot underscore string. It says tweet is not defined. So that's line 20.
Holy shit. No, that should not be happening. Line 20.
I think we must have changed something down here.
Because tweet is...
Wait.
Hold on. We can't make these global variables.
Right.
Because it's taking the parameter of that.
Yeah.
Okay, my bad. I tried to think, and it was a mistake.
Someone said yes. Emojis encode add character. Look how better that
How
is
much better,
to look
yeah.
at now. Yeah, we love blind playa. Okay.
It does add characters.
Okay,
Thank you.
hold on. Save this. Shall I run it? Wait, why is this red line? Oh no, that's just the regex on 31. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Exited. Oh no, it says let's go, girls.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go, girls. All right. What am I trying? Impress.
Put impress in parens for the regex. Adrian says.
You can do it.
Okay. Yeah, it worked. I think we need to pick different emojis though.
Why? They're cowboys.
Because I think, because when you think of the song like, so you're blah blah blah, that don't impress. Should it be like,
Oh my
music?
god. We should have an array of emojis as
Hell yeah,
strings,
dude.
and it picks a random one
Let's
to
do it.
do. So we've got, what are the three things that she does? It's, okay, so you're a rocket scientist. Okay, so you're Brad Pitt. Okay, so you have a car.
Yeah. So.
So we need like you're the emoji person, you definitely know, but I was thinking like eye roll, rocket ship, nerd
yeah.
glasses.
Wait,
right?
what are they again? So
Eye roll, rocket ship, and then nerd glasses.
rocket ship, nerd glasses.
So we need to make this into an array though, and then
I
we're
like
gonna
that
pass
the-
in a random array, right?
Emoji keyboard's like, you can't search it by nerd. It's just a person with glasses, okay?
Be nicer.
Be nice to people. I guess we don't even need the cowboy one. Maybe a music note should be on each one.
Adrian, why do we need to put impress in parentheses?
Yeah. tell us
Because
why.
right now it's working, but if I need to do that, I will do it. Like, I'm just going to go ahead and do it and not know why.
We were rich enough to... Oops, something went all red. Oh, there we go. I wish we had the money to just play Shania Twain in the background of all of this. But we're not that rich off of our affiliate status yet, unfortunately.
That's right. And you're well on your way to being more richer. Ah, groups the string. Okay.
Let's see. I might tweet again in a second to remind people we're live. Let's
To let them
see.
know. All right,
Also,
I'm
for anybody
gonna.
tuning in who I haven't set up all the boops and beeps on my stream until I get my new computer, so shout out to all the subscribers and all the lovely people who follow me, but I'm still figuring this out, y'all. I'm getting emotes soon. It's a work in progress. This happened too fast. All this fame happened too fast. Okay, so
Don't make me sing.
Sorry, I got distracted. What are we doing now?
I'm making an array right now.
Okay.
I think. I just need to remember how to make an array in JavaScript.
Array Charles over here.
JavaScript declare array variable. You just variable, and I'm doing a constant because it's not going to change. It's just going to be these.
I'm sharing your screen now, if that's cool.
No, that's fine.
Okay.
And let me. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy. I need you to make me the emoji strings.
Yes. So Adrian says wrap it with square brackets.
Wrap. Yeah.
Okay, I'm copying. Oh, you got it. Okay.
All right, yeah. So the first one is going to be that. The next one is going to be that, but I roll car.
And then he says strings with commas.
I roll, so you drive a car. And then
There we are. Okay.
I roll so you're Brad Pitt. What are we gonna do for Brad Pitt?
There's like a mediocre white actor.
Man singer.
Brad Pitt can't sing.
He can. Also, I think that's kind of like supposed to be like David Bowie. He's got a lightning bolt on.
There's like a man here. This looks kind of like Brad Pitt.
Man and man and oh wow, there's a lot of men. There's the
What
the
about
little-
a white man? Doesn't Brad Pitt have an Oscar? We could put just an award next to him. Or no, movie clapper. Just type in movie.
oh. Yeah.
Yeah, perfect.
Oh, film. But this is two dudes. You got two dudes on there.
Oh, I accidentally added two dudes here.
There we go. All right.
And we could put popcorn.
Oh, this is such a long string.
Oh no. Okay. Wait, what is this one right here?
Fast? I feel like the fast car emoji is important.
What's next? What do you have next to the clapper to the right of it? What is that? It's kind of small.
It was supposed to be film.
Oh, wait, delete that one. There's a better one. I'll do it.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm in here. I can just do it.
I'm in here. Oh god. Wait, hold on. I accidentally deleted the car and I fixed it. Okay.
Which car did you pick?
I picked the fast car. It's
Tracy Chapman. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's...
Do you have a fast car? You know the AT&T girl?
Yes.
So like from the commercials, the actress is Melania Weintraub or Weintraub.
No, I don't have commercials because I pay for Hulu Plus.
But oh man, see, I'm a teacher, so I've got Hulu with ads.
Yeah.
Also, I got some financial advice the other day, and they said that if I get Hulu with ads, I can afford my house.
Hell yeah, dude.
Yeah. Also, I got to stop eating avocado toast, is what they said.
Well,
you know how it is. You know how it is. But no, so there's the AT&T girl, and the whole internet is in love with her because she's very beautiful. But she was a comedian on YouTube for a while, and that's how I found out about her. She did this hilarious two-woman show called Let's Talk About Something More Interesting.
I know who she just came out with a thing. Yes, I know who
Melania Weintraub, and I'm always mispronouncing her name, and I'm so sorry. But a long time ago, like a million years ago, she made this hilarious parody YouTube video where she pretended to be Tracy Chapman's biggest fan, but she keeps going, and I just love the way he writes music and messing stuff up. She's like, and I'm gonna sing you Fast Car, and she doesn't know the words, and she keeps starting the verse at the wrong time, and it's brilliant. It's like Blair Erskine on Twitter.
Oh yeah, yeah,
It's like that sort of like hyper satirical. People who don't know will think it's real,
yeah. I
and it's
love
from like 2010. It's amazing. It's so good.
that. Okay, wait, Kant, that don't impress me much. Okay, I see what's going on here. Sarah says that's how the hedge fund went bankrupt. Avocado toast.
Avocado toast. That's right. They should just eat less avocado
I was pretty
toast.
proud of the tweet I wrote yesterday, I want to say it was, that said Sonic the Hedge Fund.
That was
Gotta sell fast.
it was really good. It was really good. Hold on, we've gotten a gist.
Ooh, this
I'm
gist.
looking at it on my other computer right now. But it's
It's the way you love me. It's just like this.
it's
Thing.
centrifugal gist.
It's centrifugal gist. This gist. Okay, so you're looking at
So
the gist.
this is if text includes rocket, use impress index 1. If text includes car, if it includes Brad Pitt, use that. I just want it to be a random one, no matter what. So we're just gonna.
I
This is
think we can do
perfect though.
there's dot random, right? With
It'll be dot random, but then we have to do a little math.
Oh, actually, Adrian, if Adrian's still in the stream, we have the code for this because we were randomly generating. I don't know if we were doing JavaScript though. Math.random, yes, plus math. Yeah, because we had to fuck around with math and
Like literally, all we have to do here is
oh, turnips, yeah.
that don't impress me much, and then like it'll be like
I think we have to zero index it, right? Because it's JavaScript. Ah, gosh, being slow again here.
but it'll be that don't impress me much where is the random number between 0 and 2.
Yes, sorry,
This is my whiteboard interview, by the way, for anyone
Yeah.
who's watching.
Seriously though, like we are making an enterprise app.
That's
Sorry,
right.
BJ, I have the rainbow scrolling. You know what's sad? Besides my computer being slow as fuck, is oh my gosh, you guys.
Thank you for that gist, by the way,
Yes,
Dr.
thank
Gathals.
you.
Thank you.
Hold on. I'm gonna save this. Oh my gosh. Y'all, my computer's so slow. Oh, what I was saying was I have so many cute earrings, PJ. I have earrings of like the rainbow scrolly thing. I have like clippy earrings, but I have these gigantic headphones and I never get to showcase my cute earrings. So, oh my god. It's still rainbow scrolling thing of death here.
Returns a pseudo random number between 0 and 1. And I need to get it to be between 0 and 2.
Oh, I like
So-
this message from Sarah. It says, oh my god, I can't even click on things. I'm gonna break my computer, but Sarah said that her Adrian had a good pun when they stopped buying and selling of GameStop stock, that they wanted the game to stop. But yeah,
That's
exactly.
terrible. JavaScript random number between 0 and 2. 10 and 2. I do know how to do this, and I know that I need to like round up and all that stuff, but I'm cheating here. Random whole
Meanwhile,
numbers.
I'm just kind of quiet because my computer is moving at a
Get random min, math ceiling, math floor, math random, max min minus 1. No, not too complicated. Math dot floor, math dot random times maximum, minimum variable random number equals this. Okay, let's take that and mess with it. I'm gonna take it and mess with it. Okay, math dot floor, math dot random
Let the
times.
math hit the floor. Let the math hit the floor.
Times.
I think I'm gonna do a mashup of this episode of all the musical moments.
Math
Okay,
dot floor
I'm
goes
watching
down,
and I'm
so
just
it's like
not-
0.2.
I'm not gonna touch my computer as to not anger it. Okay.
I'm doing so bad at this.
No, you're not. So we're doing math.floor, math.random, and then I think we just pick a number between how many different options do we have?
It's literally there's 3 options. It's 0,
Then we
1, or
just-
2.
Then I think we just put 2, right? Because it's 0.
Well, because it's so times 2, so it's either going to be 0, which is, if it's math.floor, it goes either 0 or 1.
Mm-hmm.
If we only put times 2, then it can never be 1.
Oh, here. Adrian says math.floor, parentheses, hold on. Math.random, parentheses, times 2, parentheses. Okay. Because we want between 0 to 2. Okay. Hold on.
Thank you.
If it was 1 to 2, it would be math. Dot.
Oh, +1. Okay. Thank you for solving that for me. Thanks, Stank Overflow.
Stank Overflow. That's merch.
Stank Overflow.
I'm writing it down. Stank Overflow.
Please contact the sticker people.
We're gonna make, so in addition to having mugs with PJ's resume, which we really are gonna put in the shop once we finalize that resume, PJ. Stank Overflow.
I'm searching it right now to make sure no one else has done it.
We can also do Dank Overflow.
Dank Overflow's really good.
And you know what? I bet Sarah, my friend Sarah who works at Stack Overflow, is gonna fucking love this. One of my favorite stickers I ever got, and if I find it, PJ, I will send it to you because I'm sure I haven't used it yet, was when Dev 2 launched, which reminds me, I owe them an email. When Dev 2
I thought you were going to say money, and I was like, dang.
I owe them money. Wouldn't that be funny if I was just like, I owe all of these debts to Dev 2? Why? But they sent out these sticker packs, and one of them, so you know maybe you don't know this, VJ, but have you seen any of the O'Reilly books that are like the tech books that have the animals on them and stuff?
No.
It's a pretty common, okay. Well, they had one of those animals drawn in the same style, and then in the font for those books that said, so usually it'll be like Python or like machine learning or whatever, and this one said copied and pasting from Stack Overflow, and I felt.
All right. This is something that always actually legitimately impresses Brandon, is when I type something and I do it correctly. He's like, I'm just used to tabbing through everything.
Oh, yeah.
He doesn't type anything out. So
I mean, it's good to get it into your body. It's like choreography, right? Like,
yeah, I just went to make sure that the name of our array was the same as the name of the array down here. And when I highlighted it, it was like, yeah, it's down here too. And I was like, of course it is, because I'm amazing.
Actually, PJ, it's really good practice right now for you to do that, because when you start whiteboarding, those are going to be the kind of things that they're like the attention to detail that they're going to want you to, because you won't have, if you're actually whiteboarding, although everything's digital now, you won't be able to tab. So if you have a Google interview in a Google Doc, it'll be easier.
What do you think? Do you think this is going to work?
Let's see. What did we changed over at? Give me 20 minutes to scroll up real quick.
Let's check the Git and see what's different.
Yes. Hold on. I don't know if that's gonna break my computer here.
That's definitely gonna break your computer. Do not open anything Git right now. Stop it.
We'll do that after when we're not streaming.
Yeah. So we've.
I'm saving it. Even that's taking a min.
Let's say.
So this is real quick. PJ.
Yeah.
Entertain the masses for a second. I'm just going to see if I toggle something. Also, I'm going to grab water. Do you want anything?
Oh, God. I'm fine. Thank you.
Okay. I'll be right back. You keep the folks entertained. I'm just going to see if it's... Oh, if I can fix this on my end. 1 second.
Okay. Hey, y'all. I'm on Chloe's channel, and I'm on my channel at the same time. And I know y'all love Chloe, and I love Chloe, too, because she's helping me get a job and learn all this cool stuff. But like it's so cool that all y'all come out to like see us like do this, because like it's literally us just sitting around and being ridiculous, and we've only just recently started doing this code stuff, so it's pretty cool that y'all are sticking around for us. So right now the thing we just did is we added this array at line 22. We added this array because we wanted emojis at the beginning, but each one is a specific part of that song. Down here, when we actually create the reply text that goes through, we've now added the array with an index of I, and I was created up here. Let I equal math.floor, math.random. And we got this from it's Adrian in Twitch chat on one. You're going to be immortalized in the Git. On 128.
Oh my God, we're back
Back
again.
again.
That should be, dude. That's the sound that we play when we come back to the show every week.
It should be times 3.
Not
Ah.
times 2. Okay. And look at
There we
that.
go.
I walked away from my computer and it was like, she's not looking. Let's run efficiently. All I had to do was
Do,
walk
do,
away.
do, do, do,
Don't
do,
walk
do, do.
away. Don't say goodbye.
I knew somehow, Adrian, that we weren't going to get one of the numbers. I was like, somehow we're not going to get a number out of this.
Have fun,
Perfect.
Sarah. Sarah's gonna go play Minecraft. I'll come play while I'm between streams, I guess.
Is math.random inclusive? Does it include 1? It's 0 through 1 inclusive. So if we get 1, it can't be 3. If it's 1 times 3, it'll give us 3. But
0.
3 is not a part of the array. The array is 0, 1, 2.
It says does not
Does not include
include
1.
1. Does include 0.
Cool.
Okay. Okay.
Cool.
Thank you, everyone. This is so helpful.
Yeah.
It's so nice that people are joining us now because usually it's just PJ and I being like, "We'll warn you, we don't know how to use the computer."
And that's probably how I'm gonna open any interview I ever have. I'll be like, listen, I once had a Game Boy, and other than that, I do all my coding on an Etch-a-Sketch. So if you just provide me the Etch-a-Sketch, I'll get started.
Today in a meeting with leadership, I said that I was 3 Muppets in a trench coat, and I have no regrets.
That's the kind of thing that I'm gonna bring to a job. Is I want all of you to know I'm gonna be the guy that's like really cool and funny and like fun to be around, and he'll get the work done. But you're gonna have to be very patient with him.
You're gonna have to deal with some really bad puns. I mean, that's what I tell people too. Like my
Ooh.
business cards, PJ, used to say, like when I was a junior, like right out of my boot camp, it said, "Hire me if you want to nail." It was either like, "Hire me if you want to win your trivia night musical theater category," or like, "Hire me if you want to win competitive karaoke at the team offsite."
When I get my first business cards, they're just gonna say I'm trying to win a free lunch.
Yes, please. I actually, you know what? If you don't do that, I will do that for you.
Aw, that'll be my you got hired gift.
Hell yeah.
Blind Playa said, "Was it a Game Boy Advance though? Because we'll hire you on those terms." Was not an Advance.
It was Color?
It was a Game Boy Pocket that like flipped open, like the old weird flippy ones that looked like a square. It looked like a coaster.
We'll allow it.
I'm doing my best out here. I'm old enough that I did have the original Game Boy with the green scale. Yeah, it was huge, right? And you had to have an outside light source.
Yeah. I got
So they made
Game Boy Color neon green, and I was always jealous of my friend Allie because she had. Remember that game on the Game Boy Color where you could print out stickers? Remember when that was like.
Remember that game? You like had a camera you could plug in?
Take a low res quality sticker of the quality of like your Universal Studios like plastic pass that you get, like only black and white, very grainy. Take it, print it out on peeling stick paper, and then your mom will get really mad at you for like leaving
because
residue.
you're putting it on the car windows.
Yeah, exactly. Should we run this, dude?
I think it'll work. I think
so
it'll
too.
work. I'm nervous, but I think it will.
Oh wait, code is already running. Show me the output. Hold on.
In case you were wondering, this is I typed impressed, and she responded, "No problem."
Oh dang. Okay.
No problem.
Do we dare to try? Wait, do we have the emoji thing working?
This is the old emoji. Is she running right now?
Yeah.
Did you stop it and start running it again?
Ooh, that's a good question. Let me see. Hold on. Why isn't it stopping? Stop, Shania.
Shania, please.
Please. Restart. Hold on. Everything is slow. I know Control C, but it is throwing a little tantry. There we go. Okay.
Hey.
Tantry. New word, tantry. And a partridge and a tantrum.
And a tantrum in a pear tree?
Hold on. This is not working. It is not stopping.
Shania, why can't you stop?
Shania.
Did you see I added a Trixie sticker to my cup?
No. What does it say?
All my jokes are cries for help.
Wait, maybe it's that my keyboard isn't set up correctly and I'm just doing the wrong Control C here. Oh, okay, hold on.
Is it Control C or is it Command C on a Mac? Is it different? What is it?
What is happening? I honestly think that it's just computer being a B.
Ooh.
Hold on. Ooh, don't npm install anything, computer. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna trash this. Ah! Riveting content. Try it now. If it doesn't, I just think it's being silly. I'll just
Is it being
restart
sassy? Let's see what the output is first
Yeah.
off. Like that'll
shit.
be
Hold
interesting.
Let me view. I don't know why this is being so silly. Okay. Did you just do
I
it?
did.
It worked.
Are you sharing yours?
Okay.
Oh no.
What am I doing? Sorry. You tested it. I know,
I
my
typed-
laptop does need an exorcism. Seriously, I do think my laptop's haunted. I genuinely think there's the ghost of Clippy is haunting my
It hasn't worked so far, but it might be either that the code's taking its time.
Oh, because it says false. I'm getting a true and I just got a false returned.
Okay,
So
what's the false return? So
it's whatever Boolean we're returning, we're getting a false. So I think maybe okay, here, let me show you. Let me share my screen. Share screen. Okay. So see how here you tweeted that don't impress me much, or it tweeted that don't impress me much.
But then we got a false. I just asked it if it's impressed. Let me see if did I spell it right?
I think it.
Oh, I did it with a capital I.
Oh, good.
I thought that the I in the regex would do that.
See, that's good that we did that. So we just need to make sure that when we get the word, is it less expensive or does it matter if we don't lowercase the whole? I guess we'd have to lowercase the whole thing if we're gonna check it for that, right?
I thought that the I and the regex would be able to take care of it, but I don't know anything about regex.
And also, I mean, we have to think about, yes, probably someone would only uppercase the I, but what if someone did it in MySpace case or whatever that's called?
It's still doing the 3 cowboys, which means it's still on the old code. It hasn't updated the code that it's running.
Here, let me do something. Let me stop sharing my screen real quick. I'm gonna send you a new live share thing because I just think
fine.
Something is afoot. Okay.
Something is afoot, clan.
VS Code. How's everyone doing tonight? What are you doing while you watch us? Are you cleaning? I clean a lot while I watch Twitch.
We're totally gonna raid that AOC stream at the end
How
of
do we
this.
do that?
There's just a little thing on your stream that's like, blind play getting Uber Eats. You got money, honey?
Farm.
I don't do any Uber Eats or anything like that. I don't do it.
We do, but only because my boyfriend works at Uber and they get credits that they can use towards Uber Eats because they can't really ride on Ubers right now.
That's true. That sounds delicious.
Okay, I'm going to run this BB.
Hey, baby, run, please.
I think it's running, although I see no output at this present time. Code is already running. Okay.
Did we get a Let's Go, girls?
Yeah, I'll share yours.
Okay. And at bot Shania.
Ooh, I'm gonna also tweet in a second that we're still live.
We are still live. It's true.
Actually, keep
not for much longer.
Keep one of these up. What's happening?
I think Twitter is like, hey man, you've just been tweeting the same thing over and over.
You a bot? I don't
That's
see
funny.
anything.
Da da da.
Oh, here we go. It worked.
Oh, and we got the array.
Play the sound. Play the sound.
Hold on. You have to be patient. Everyone ready for the sound? We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it.
We did it. I feel good about this. I mean, you did a majority of it. You did a majority of it because my computer is literally like needs to be taken to the American Girl Doll Hospital right now. Oh my God, let's try another one. Wait, I'll try one and then okay, hold on.
Do it.
So what I need to include what keywords?
Just impress.
Okay, hold on. I'll share my screen so we can see me. Can look. Everyone can see a look behind the scenes of what it's like to be verified. It's no different than anything. Seriously. Okay, twitter.com. Okay, I'm gonna share my screen. Share screen.
Heck yeah, we did it.
This is the first time we've ever like live coded ever.
I'm gonna delete some of these old tweets because holy moly, there's
Wait,
like a
so what
bunch
do I
of
need
them.
to say?
Just ask her anything that has impress in it.
But what about? Okay.
It just picks it. Yeah, we don't have it set to like keywords for the array. It just picks a random index from the array.
I would like to know if you're impressed with the new feature we added. Eyes. Everybody gets to see how the sausage gets made, how I write these tweets. What else?
y'all,
should I do?
y'all sausaging?
I would like to know if you're impressed with the new feature. Okay, PJ, this drives me crazy, and I don't know, understand why my brain can't. What is the proper language? This is the best person to ask because you correct us on papers, where it's like PJ and me and PJ. How would I? So yo, Shania, I would like to know if you're impressed with the new feature.
PJ and
Myself
I.
and PJ
No.
and I.
So the way you do it is you take out the other person, and whatever you would use if there was only one of you, use that. So it's not like PJ and me or PJ and myself. You say PJ and I added, because in a regular sentence you would say, "Are you impressed with the new feature I added?"
Oh, dang. You're a good English teacher, PJ. It's the first time I've like fully Because here's the thing. I think that all these shows growing up, like My Brother and Me, and like things like, and then in Peter Pan, where it was like, not me, not I, not me, no there. Like my brain, because musicals often for rhyming schemes will use the wrong tense.
Yeah.
So I'm always really hesitant on if I use big words in my
I
vocabulary.
mean, yeah,
Like
isn't it like
Pensive from Les Mis?
The Wizard and I? It's the Wizard and...
Wizard! Or like You and Me, but mostly me. Like
That song, hold on, I can't sing very well, but I feel like in my head, I can rip that song. Of all the songs, like, I can rip that song.
If I tell you, if I was a gay white man, and you don't even have to be gay to play Elder Price, if I was a white man, I would slay that role. Like, Elder Price...
I'm going to be the first half Puerto Rican Elder Price.
I can't be in that show. There are no... I mean, the only musical where there's no white women in it. But even the white woman in the airport, that is like the mom during the Lion King part. That's played by a man in drag. Because when you think about it, the only women in that show are black.
That's true.
Because of all of the characters.
Africa.
Yeah, Africa. Like Lion King. I love that show.
Africans are African.
Okay, where is... Okay, yo, Shania. I would like to know if you're impressed with the new feature. Okay, let's see what happens if I add an emoji.
Add a GIF?
Oh yeah, GIF.
Definitely spinning around and pointing.
This one.
Look at her go.
Tweet.
And then check your output. Check out all those notifications.
Oh my god. Is it still running?
She did it. No, she did it.
She did it! And now I'm going to retweet this and say, she's alive!
I want to see if I can get different things from that string. That'll be nice.
Beautiful. Oh, here. How would I put, I like that.
You're cracking yourself up.
It's like when I was editing the images. Let's see. She's alive!
Ah, it's working. Yes, I got the
Hell
rocket
yeah.
ship. I got the rocket ship.
Hell yeah! Cowboy, cowboy.
Did I add? I was adding a comment to make sure that we had labeled things. I like having things labeled. Like
Yeah.
this is the array that we add at the beginning. Maybe even explaining that the emojis represent song lyrics.
Wait, sorry. Hold on.
No, you're good. It's not a point. This is me
That the
talking out loud.
emojis represent song lyrics. What about
Yeah,
that?
so like there's a comment that's like these emojis will represent the song lyrics, so it's like a translation.
Oh, yes.
Because remember, actually, the first bot idea I really pitched to you before we got like the first day we ever talked was a thing that would turn poetry into emojis.
Yes.
And I'm so glad that we went with this instead because
Yeah.
I think we would still be working on that thing to
I
make
think
it
we
do
would be
something.
working on the linguistics of it still.
It was that. It was.
That's like how Adrian, who's in the chat, Adrian and I, when we built our Animal Crossing turnip timer, we were like, this is going to be easy. And then we were just like, oh, we have to do math to figure out time zones. Like, we did not sign up for this.
Yeah, what the hell? But yeah, this is good.
Great.
Honestly,
I think we should save here.
save it for sure.
We want to start. I don't know if we're going to stream this weekend or next week or when we're going to come back to it, but do we next time just want to start out commenting the code and making it nice and
It's pretty. It's got some good comments in it, and it's got like links to docs and stuff.
Yeah.
I think we even have somewhere that we got it from a coding train.
Yes. Oh yeah, get those modules going, Adrian says. Yeah, we should do that.
That's true. Make a little bit of differentiation.
Adrian, come and join us next time.
Come and do the modules for us.
Yeah, do our modules for us, Adrian.
These are stupid. These are so stupid.
Well, I feel great. I can't believe. I mean, PJ, this is all you, dude. Like, because my computer.
It is not all me.
I provided emotional support. This is great. And look at this. Our little Shania. Let's go to her tweets and replies. You guys, if you tweet Shania in the next couple minutes.
And ask her about being impressive.
We're not
will
going to
respond.
keep it up. Actually, that's another thing we need to do, PJ.
That's next show. Next time we mess with this is getting the comments pretty, getting the modules going, and just finding a place to host her, which I am entirely relying on you because I know we're not going to put this on Azure and pay for all the times that people are like.
I think what we will do is we'll host it on Azure, but we'll limit it, the amount of calls that can be done to it because we don't want a big old bill that's like. I mean, Microsoft doesn't want a big old bill that's like, hey girl, Shania, Chloe, I did this expense report for $30,000 of Shania Twain. Oh, glitch. Yeah, we'll look at it.
We can host it on Glitch.
Yeah.
Make a note somewhere in the code. Host on Glitch? Question mark. Because then we'll remember it.
Yeah, Adrian, you should just come join us for that episode. You're okay. So
next week we have a guest, don't we? We have the tech rabbi.
Yes, okay. So y'all, Cam the Queen. We're gonna be tweeting out some marketing images to promote it. But yeah, we're gonna start. And also, my friend Jill. I'm making Calendlies right now, y'all. Very profesh. Jill is gonna come on. She is a recruiter and she's awesome, PJ. You're gonna love her. She is like, you know how you have certain people in your life that you like DM different memes to? She's like my 90s nostalgia meme person, so I feel like she's gonna fit in great here.
Great.
All right. Okay, let's see if has anybody else tweeted at Shania. Let's see. Let's snow girls. Okay, let's pin one of these. I'm not logged into the account, PJ. Let's pin one of our responses from her as the pinned tweet.
As the pinned tweet for Shania?
Oh, no, because it would have our username in it.
I mean, like, in our tweets and replies, it has our username in it.
I mean, for her pinned tweet.
Oh, for her pinned tweet. Let's have, I mean, I don't mind having my name in it. That's fine.
Wait, which one are you logged into the Shania one right now?
I am, yeah.
Go to the analytics and see what our highest performing tweet is. So
it's going to be the one from the inauguration, for sure. ...
Analytics.
Her analytics are turned off. I have now turned it on.
on. We gotta get that
There, she's
data.
getting some pretty good impressions actually.
Hey,
A
that
hun-
don't impression me much.
that don't impression me much. That's hold on. I'm gonna go ahead and type it up, and that's
Wait, where are you putting this?
I'm just gonna make it tweeted from Shania, and that's our pinned tweet.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hold
Okay.
on, I need emojis for it.
That don't impression me. We're making merch. That's going on the merch sheet. We're gonna have PJ's resume on a mug, stank overflow. We got a lot of good
Stank
merch.
overflow. Did you write stank overflow down?
Hell yeah, dude.
Okay,
And we
good.
need that don't impression me much.
All right, that don't impression me
That don't
much.
impression. Oh, hey.
You, by the way, impression would trigger Shania bot.
Oh my god, it does. Are we hackers? I think we're hackers.
That's so funny.
I think we just hacked Twitter API.
We crushed it.
Okay.
All we
well,
needed was regex. Yeah, this has been a good
this has been
stream.
great. I'm
Tune
gonna
in next week
go-
when it's much more serious.
Yeah, next week we're gonna have a guest. PJ, we'll talk off stream, but maybe we'll work on some Shania this weekend. Who knows? Maybe
That
we'll
sounds good.
But bye everyone. I'm gonna go talk to PJ off the air, but I will see you if you're joining us now, 9:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I will be streaming on the New Relic Twitch channel, which I'll drop a link again to here. I will be playing with Logic Apps, which is actually the basis of how Shania is tweeting every morning at 9 a.m. As much
That's
as I
right.
would love to take credit for like PJ and I just being like, it's time, and we're tweeting it. It's automated, obviously. We're hackers. But we will see y'all later. Play us out with some sounds.
Oh, I can do it. Hold on. I can do it. Oh, God. It wasn't ready. I wasn't ready.